Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Tired of spending endless hours on lesson planning? Imagine an AI assistant that creates customized lesson plans, unit plans, and worksheets automatically tailored to your subject, grade level, and teaching goals. Whether you teach math, science, English, or any other subject, this tool adapts to your needs, turning hours of preparation into minutes. This platform is called kuraplay. Don't worry, I will share the link in the description. So let's explore. So first time you need to sign up on this platform. I'm going to sign up here. I'm using my Google ID to sign up. Once you sign in, you can see this interface. So let's try to create a lesson plan and a worksheet accordingly. I'm clicking lesson plan here. So let's try lesson plan first. I'm selecting science subject. You need to write a specific topic here and you can ask AI to generate idea. So I wrote chemical bonding and ionic bonding. I need to extend the idea. So AI will help me to extend the idea first. Now you need to select the grade or year. I'm selecting year 12, or you can also write the age of the student. So how many students you are teaching, you need to write down. I'm writing here 20 and I'm writing here 45 minutes. And I'm going to click generate lesson plan. Wow, you can see here the complete lesson plan is here, including the overview, the curriculum alignment, and learning objectives are given, material required, and lesson structure for 45 minutes. You can see the time slots are also available: 5 minutes for introduction, demonstration, group activity, presentation, wrap up and reflection, assessment, and teacher notes. It's a complete package. So to align this learning objectives, you can also create a worksheet quickly. Just click here. So you can see here on the screen the complete worksheet has been generated, and you can just simply share or download PDF, or you can copy text, or you can just copy the link and share with your students. I'm downloading this. So you can see here a PDF worksheet has been downloaded. So it's really super awesome, and the worksheet is exactly aligned with the objectives and the lesson plan. Another excellent part is the unit plan. You can plan a comprehensive unit with multiple lessons. Let's try. So you can select your subject. I'm selecting English right now. Select your year. I'm selecting year 10. Number of students, let's say 30. And you can give your complete instruction here. I wrote unit plan for IGCSE English curriculum for both language and literature. I'm going to extend the idea. Now I need to write down the number of lesson in the unit. Let's say in one unit the number of lessons are 10. Length of each lesson is 45, and you need to generate unit plan. This is very awesome. You can see the whole unit plan has been generated. You can generate more lesson plans according to lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. It is editable and completely free of cost. There is no paid subscription required. I tried and found it very useful. Please try and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.